Bro, chicken game. Look. Chicken game 2v2. You got this.
Oh my god, what are we playing, bro?
It's chicken game. It's chicken game.
I don't know what this is, bro.
I'm pretty sure when it shows red on your screen, you have to stop. It's Squid Games. It's Squid Games. It's just Squid Games, bro. Yo, they changed everything. Oh, stop. Oh, they died. Run. Oh, we won. Bro, this is actually so funny. Oh crap. How'd I die? I didn't even move. Oh my god. Oh crap. How'd he still shoot you, bro?
No, I died to the sniper.
Ooh.
What? Savvy, you're so cooked. The boo-boo's getting on the floor.
The boo-boo's on the floor. Oh. La boo boo. Run away. Oh.
Let's go. I hear you.
Rare.
I pushed the other one off the map. There's one on the map, that's why.
Oh, I see him.
Where? Oh, he's not dead.
What? Yo, how did you not die there? Just slide instantly.
Savvy, you're selling, bro.
What do you mean? Oh.
Let's go. Oh, I see the other one.
Holy airball, bro.
Oh, yeah, GG's. Hey, yo.
What do you mean, AO, bro? I'm just clapping. We won, bro.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh my gosh, I almost died there. What? That's unfair, bro. He's low. What are we doing?
Bro, I'm lagging. I don't see you flying again. Watch. They're all on me, bro.
I'm cooked. Bro.
Bro was getting sniped by 3 people. Let's heavy lock in, bro.
You lock in too, bro.
Alright, I got you. I'm so close to dying.
Oh my gosh, I'm cooked. Let's go! You locked in! W?
No, I carry you.
Bro, relax. It's not this deep. Exactly. What'd you say? What if I use sniper too? Is this the meta?
What if I use only pistol only? See what happens.
You're cooked, bro.
Alright, no. Trust me, I'll lock in.
Bro, Holy, when does it start? Bro, what happened to my... Oh my gosh, my controls are not working.
Bro, I lag so bad. I didn't hear nothing. I didn't hear the thing go.
I'm cooked.
GG's.
How? I was moving! How did he hit me, bro? Holy auto assist. Dead.
I see him. Go Santo!
Oh!
Am I locked in?
Why are you sweating, bro?
Bro, I see them right peeking between the little things. What?
How did you get sniped?
I switched weapons and it kills you. That's crazy. Sevi, they're on your left side.
Help! They're cheating, bro. I mean, yeah, they have auto assist. They actually sell bands. Oh my god, he's burning!
Hit someone.
Bro, how did I miss that? How did he move? That's not fair.
He left. No way. Thank you.
Hey, Joe. Dancing in the moonlight. It's so bright.
Sebby's like, let me fix my aim real quick.
What? Bro. Bro, you suck. What are you doing?
Yo, I will die. That's so lucky. That's so lucky. Oh, grabbing. Whoever has the first shot wins.
Let's go. You.
Next time I'll apply. Oh, 1 minute mid-air while I'm doing this. Oh. GG's, I'm good.
No. Why'd you die?
Cause I'm at the edge of the map, so I can just keep falling.
What? What'd I do? That would have been easy kill, bro. I was literally right on him. Oh,
What?
crap.
Oh, crappy. Come on, Sebby, you got this. Yeah, you know that.
What? I hit him in the face.
Headshot.
What? I hit him. This is unfair, bro.
Pochito Joe.
El pollito pío, el pollito pío, el pollito pío, el pollito pío, pío, pío.
Wait, did you put it again?
Yeah.
Oh, my days.
Oh, my days, bro.
I want to leave the party.
No. After. We'll do no. Well, I didn't do anything.
Now, what you do, huh?
I didn't do anything.
Say what you say.
Alright, ready?
137?
Hey, level doesn't matter. You know that, right? 539? Ooh. Wholly unemployed, bro. Wow. Wow.
He said it doesn't matter, we just got smacked. Yeah, this is not fair.
They're hacking. How'd they hit me mid-air?
How do they hit me? I'm behind the wall.
Ah! I'm not complete. No!
Bro, it's over for us. Bro, so it doesn't matter, we just got smacked twice.
I mean, because they're actually hacking. Like, how are these guys still? What? How did he kill me? It wasn't even green yet.
Watch this. I don't meant to.
What the heck, bro? That was 707 win streak.
What?
That was 707 win streak. Wow, it wasn't even green.
Damn it, we just got smacked. What was it level? Doesn't matter.
Bro, because it doesn't sometimes, you know? 707. No, they're actually hacking. And that's like impossible. Oh look, I have water balloons. Here, take this. I'll throw another one at you. Oh. You missed.
Oh, got you.
No, it didn't.
Got you, him.
No, it didn't. You missed completely. I hear you.
Got you now.
No, it didn't, bro. Alright, that's it for this one.